Looking for a fun and delicious activity to do with your kids? Try making homemade chocolate-dipped fruit. It's a simple, enjoyable recipe that's perfect for little hands and big smiles. Here's what you'll need. Assorted fruits, like strawberries, bananas, apple slices, or grapes, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and optional toppings like sprinkles, crushed nuts, or coconut flakes. Start by washing and drying the fruit thoroughly. For bananas and apples, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a microwave-safe bowl, heat the chocolate chips in 30-second intervals, stirring after each, until fully melted and smooth. Now the fun part, let your kids dip the fruit pieces into the melted chocolate, ensuring they are well coated. You can also use a spoon to help cover the fruit. Place the chocolate-dipped fruit onto the prepared baking sheet. For extra fun, let your kids sprinkle their favorite toppings over the chocolate before it sets. Once all the fruit is dipped and decorated, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for about 20-30 minutes, or until the chocolate is firm. Enjoy your homemade chocolate-dipped fruit as a delightful snack or dessert. It's a great way to bond with your kids while encouraging them to participate in the kitchen.